Hi guys, what's up? Long time no see. I'm so sorry. I was just caught up with so many things happening within this past few days, and surprise, we're moving. I just literally woke up 30 minutes ago, and I just want to thank you guys for being part of my life. You guys have been with me for almost 3 years now. Remember the vlogs that I made in the past? I was depressed because I couldn't get a job in a small town. My life transitioned from being very privileged to not getting whatever I want. And now we are finally moving to a house. I'm so happy because we have been living in a room for a month and a half now. So, wow, one of our I can't express goals. In our 20s, we got our own house. How amazing is that? So thank you so much to Miss Constance. If you are watching this, she is amazing. She's very detailed. She literally treated us like family. I'm a first-time home buyer. I did have a condo when I was 23, but that was actually, I was paying it through my mom, so it's not really under my name. So I still have to work on that. My condo is in a different place, so I'm gonna get it renovated and get it rented. So I am so excited and I'm so happy, and I can't wait to show you guys what it looks like. I haven't even told my family. I told it to you guys first. My income on YouTube, I use that to for groceries and stuff if we have shortcomings. And thank you guys so much for always being there and for always supporting. And yesterday, Jondrae surprised me with a gift. And I didn't really expect that because Christmas is already done. So we talked to each other we're not gonna give each other gifts. But I did bought him something, so I'm not gonna say it to you guys because it hasn't arrived yet. And Jondrae is very sneaky sometimes, and he listens even if I know. But his gift came. I'm gonna insert the clip so you guys could see.
Okay.
Yes. I don't know why he did this. So he doesn't have any gift to me. Last Christmas 2017, and he came through. I don't know what this is. To Jesse from Jondrae. Wow, how casual. Hold on, let me see if there's a hole here. It's gonna be so embarrassing. Thank you, baby. You don't have to.
Okay, I'll pretend it.
Can I just say, no, hold on. Can I just say that I'm not gonna spoil it, but I also have something for you, but it hasn't arrived yet, so I'm so sorry.
Nice.
I love you.
Okay.
No. No.
I love these. I love it. These crayons because it's so good.
No.
Well, now I can't even tell with the facial expression.
I'm so ugly when I cry. Oh my god. Oh my god, babe.
Why are you crying?
What are we gonna eat next month?
Why are you crying?
Oh my god. Oh my gosh. For my filming. Thank you, baby. I love you. I love you.
Where's she going? Where'd she go?
Isn't he the sweetest ever? Wow. Expect HD quality from now on. But I still need to have a laptop. I need to figure things out because I don't have a laptop. Okay, we do, but that's slow as shit, and it doesn't have any movie maker with it. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready. I can't put any makeup on today because I literally packed everything. The only one that is left outside is my moisturizer, facial wash, those things, toothbrush, toothpaste. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready and I'm gonna give you guys a house tour. So yeah. All right guys, this is it. I have my handy dandy coffee and we're about to get the keys. So we're here at U-Haul right now. It's probably gonna cost us like $100 or something like that. It depends on what time we bring it back. So this is what we are going to use. We also had an insurance with it, which is $14 just in case something happens to the truck. Hopefully not. And it's very spacious. Jondrae is like so excited. Can't wait. I don't know if I can try to, honey, try to lift the back.
No, come on, let's go.
What do you mean? It's go? Oh, okay. I'm gonna start writing now, cause girl, you got no time for like, the time is counted, so. Why is it not opening? Open up! Like 1 second. Alright guys, guess I'm gonna stay outside. He's trying to figure it out where it is. Alright, perfect. Woo! Yeah! Yes! Yeah! Yes, baby, we made it!
Hey, can I drive?
Alright, that's everything guys. That's everything that we own. That's it. I'm excited for new life, new beginnings, new everything. So, this is what we're seeing before. We're seeing before. This tiny room, and I'm so happy that finally something we can call our own.
The kitchen.
So this is our kitchen, guys. So we don't have a fridge yet.
As you can see.
Ellen, can you carry this little thing? I'm gonna show everybody our house. So if you guys can, don't put any shoes in the carpet. So this is our living room. So there's like a chalkboard over there, as you can see, so I can write Jondrae's chores. Awesome. Air conditioner, heater. And then, let me show you the first room.
Yeah, so this is where it's at, huh?
Ooh. I like how there's like dimmable lights. It's perfect for our little family. So look at the size of the cabinet. I can literally walk inside. Okay, I should have not done that. If I'm not as skinny as that's gonna break. So you have drawers up there. I love the gold knobs. This is very, very spacious. Like there's so many stuff that you can put inside. So I'm still thinking, where is my makeup room gonna be? Probably this one. So just trying to feel it, if I can install something or whatever. And the reason why I chose this to be my makeup room, guys, is because of the sunlight. So, oh my gosh, I'm sorry for screeching. A lot of cabinets as well. Something that you can hang. Like where you can put some towels. Awesome. Love it. Very spacious. Here's part of the kitchen as well. Look, you can put some condiments. More condiments if I wanted to. Have I shown you guys this one? Okay, so there are, ooh, look, they even left like some spare lights. That's awesome. That's gonna go in my room. So more cabinets, so you can just put something right here. but I'm gonna make it work. And then the other side, you can see that. Some drawers. Very spacious, awesome. Cabinets. And then look, we only have one bathroom, so it's not bad. It's just, you know, Jondrae and I. So it's a toilet, nothing really special, just basic. So I will show you guys because I'm gonna be revamping this. I'm gonna turn it into a mermaid theme, and I can't wait to show you guys how it will look like. I'm excited because I have bought like, oops, so many. Ooh, yes, I love the shower head. I bought like many cute stuffs that I know that you guys will like. So I'm gonna transform that into like a mermaid theme. And this one, if you're cooking, for example, and you don't want the smell to go in the rooms, you can do that. So it's gonna look like that. Pretty cool. It's foldable. So that's it, guys. Oh, before I even forget, you can actually go here too. So this owners doesn't want it, so I'm gonna make a DIY on that, and I'm probably gonna put them right over here. There was a chair here a while ago. It's probably gone. Someone already took it, but I'm very excited. And there you go. I just put my dirty feet in the carpet, and we don't even have a rug. Now let me show you where the laundry room is. It's separated from the house. Yes, there's paint and there's old tiles. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, by the way, there's extra light bulbs, and that's gonna go into my room.
No, it's not.
Yes.
No, it's not.
Okay, so there's extra space. The dogs can stay here since they're bad girl. I'm kidding. And then, let me show you. Can you open this, please? And this is our backyard, guys. Oh, look, there's a bird. Oh. And this is our backyard. We have a lot of work to do, guys. I'm gonna plant something.
There's no weed.
And this is Jondrae's room. Just kidding. Washer and dryer. So my plan is I am going to put like a rack here on the side, probably right over here. And then that's pretty much it. Nothing really special, just baskets right over here. And big. All right. I just want to thank Alan for coming in. You have been such a good friend for us. We don't know what to do without Alan. He would help us. He's the only one who is like literally willing to help us. So thank you for that. And don't worry, we're gonna go to the Korean place. And thank you for this little baby for inspiring us, okay?
I almost forgot about her.
Oh, someone's crying.
Yes? Tears of joy.
Okay.
Right.
Goodbye, Sparky. Oh, by the way, guys, I forgot to show you that the bathroom has a very, very spacious, like, whatever you can put here. Someone's crying. Oh, so much space. Love it. I love it. So many things that you can put inside. Oh my goodness. Princess P. Guys, I have a problem. So I tried to wash my hands in the sink, and it only turns hot. It doesn't turn cold, so I don't know how to deal with that. So if you guys are familiar on how it works, it has this small tube. It looks like a dextrose pipe, and when you turn the knob under the sink, it spits out water, and that's the only cold thing. But when you turn on the sink faucet, like it's hot. It's only hot. So I don't know what to do with that. Like, I really don't know how to deal with that. So hopefully we can fix it tomorrow. And then we're going to start buying water and for us to drink. We don't have a fridge. We don't have a washer and dryer. And I don't know how to do that, you know? Like, I still need to figure all of the things out. And I'm really scared. I don't know why. I'm happy that we have a house, but I'm scared about the neighborhood. It's not like, okay, it's not a scary neighborhood, but I'm just that of a psycho, okay? So I'm hoping and I'm praying that we live a peaceful life here, especially Jondrae and I. We look like kids, but you know what I mean, you know? So hoping and praying that we are going to be safe in this house and everybody in the community is nice and amazing. And I'm pretty sure that God won't let something bad happen to us. So I appreciate each and every one of you guys, and thank you all for your patience. Wait for my next video because, wait for my next video because it's going to be a haul video. So if you are into decorating, if you're into house stuff like me, I just realized that I'm getting old because I'm like, I love comforters, like, ew. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. I upload every week. Just turn your post notifications on. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.